when a Category 5 hurricane barrels towards your home, you can take comfort in knowing your roof will withstand winds over 150 miles per hour without leaks or structural failure, allowing you to weather the storm with peace of mind. As your general contractor and licensed roofing contractor, we can inspect the connections between your roof trusses and exterior walls. This allows us to ensure the connections meet local building code requirements. During Hurricane Ian, which hit harder than Hurricane Irma, metal standing seam roofing and stone-coated steel roofing proved to be the most resilient, remaining intact as the only ones. Metal roofing is generally considered the best option for hurricane resistance. A true classic, the Roser Cleo Barrel Tile pairs the aesthetic beauty of traditional, rugged Roman barrel tiles with the low maintenance and performance of high-strength steel. Tested against the elements, Cleo Tile by Roser has been tempered against hurricanes, fires, hailstorms, and earthquakes. It has proven its durability and protection for your most significant investment, your home. With only a fraction of the weight of stone, wood, or asphalt, a Cleo Tile roof grants the classic beauty of wood while providing you with the strength of steel. At Seacoast, we provide elegantly designed, beautifully crafted, and securely upgraded or restored homes at competitive prices. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.